Hey guys, welcome back to another React video. This one's a little interesting. It has some really creepy moments, like 3 creepy moments that I count out. But it's of Busch Gardens old footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, we're just gonna see what it looks like. So I think this is like old Busch Gardens promo stuff. Wow. Okay, quick game. What do you notice is not in this photo? I'll give you 5 seconds. If you guess the bridge to Italy and Loch Ness Monster, you're correct. How crazy is it? It's not here. I didn't even notice that. That's insane.
Of the old country, Busch Gardens at Williamsburg, Virginia. Here you'll find the most adventurous, romantic, and exciting eras of America's mother country.
Wow.
The old country is a place of entertainment for people of all ages. A special tour through the best of Europe and the Globe Theater, where the ideas of Shakespeare come to life in new ways.
Whoa, was that the old production that they used to have? I don't know what is going on. I don't know. Oh, that's creepy. That is straight up creepy. Yeah, we're gonna just skip across this.
It's real. Real streets with real buildings.
Okay, this must have been impressive when you first saw this.
Everything's real inside too.
Like, I'm
For
impressed.
example, a stop at the Muffin Man is a tasty way
The
to start
Muffin
the
Man?
day. And how about this for a pleasant way to see these forests and get an eagle's eye view of all of the villages of the old country?
Oh, there's that's where Ireland is now. So that's what, if you're wondering what that area is. So then also that's where Questor and all the other stuff end up being built over there.
Down there is Hastings. Here on the grounds, you reach it by a medieval bridge.
Oh wait, there used to be a drawbridge there? Oh, there was a little drawbridge. So as I was in the park this weekend, I realized the drawbridge actually is still there. The only thing that really changed is this railing, which is probably a little bit safer than what it used to be. That's insane.
Hastings is an exciting castle courtyard, which takes you back to the days of English fairs and tournaments.
Oh, that's fun. It's a little shooting gallery. I always want to do like a VR thing where when you walk through a park, you can look at it as it was back in the day and look around. It would be cool to see both things, you know? A little puppet show. Wait. What was that?
Thank you, dear. You know, folks, life ain't easy. Why don't we be free?
That's a little creepy.
Jester Sport is an arcade which magically brings us to modern times.
The monorail!
Right
Oh, the sky bus.
You can enjoy an interesting change of pace.
Oh my gosh, you can actually see it. It's not just hidden.
Or a 20th century trip right into the
Okay, let's go.
Hospitality Center.
This is the most I've seen on the monorail. This is incredible.
Here you can enjoy refreshments with your family or friends in a cool garden atmosphere.
I'm so sad the horses are gone.
Tweedside, main station of the Balmoral Castle. It's a replica of the Scottish locomotive built to carry Queen Victoria from London to Edinburgh.
Wow, there's so much history with a lot of these. Like, there's so much detailed Busch Gardens that we don't even really realize. Wow.
But in this France, you don't just dream of excitement. There's plenty to entertain you right here at the Three Musketeers Theater.
Three Musketeers Theater?
At La Jolie Plume Theater, the actors are as talented as their...
Bring back the animals! Like, bring back the animals.
At Le Petit Montmartre, with its cafes, markets, and flower shops, you can feel the spirit of Frenchmen, from artists to emperors.
Napoleon? New France. Very much so like a Dollywood vibe.
And the town lives up to its name with a big.
Oh, there it is working. You know what's weird is that this old commercial, or this old like thing, 100% makes me want to go to Busch Gardens. You know, isn't it crazy? Like, it's not that it's even there's not that many roller coasters, but for some reason it just is the atmosphere that I'm bought into. That I'm like, okay, yeah, this would be cool to go to. Little shows, like I'm bought in. Even though this is like 1970s. Oh no, is that Pirates 4D? Oh man, I forgot about that ride. Oh my gosh, I remember sitting on that train just for the sake of it. Oh, you can hear the brakes that they had to do. This was one of my favorite parts right here. Oh, that's the part right there. It was so cool. Just to see people in that moment, like you look at it and you're like, whoa. I mean, the trains look pretty cool. Oh, look at the station. Gosh, such a cool looking ride. Okay, let's fast forward to get where he's actually at. Let's see some other parts. Oh, there's him getting off the ride. What do you think his reaction is? I want to go again. This kid is legit. Okay, so that's the footage that we see from the train, which is really cool because now we see the new Big Bad Wolf.
Today, we are thrilled to celebrate the official grand opening of Alpengeist. It's the fastest. It will reach speeds of 67 miles per hour, and it boasts the largest vertical drop loop of 106 feet. Beautiful. And it has the largest drop. 170 feet. You're counting, that's about 17 stories down. Named after a mysterious snow beast and marble art of Switzerland. Walter and his partner are the designers and the manufacturers of.
Wait, they were here at the press release?
And I might say they are the premier designers of roller coasters in the world.
Wow, I agree to that. Well, it's a little rough right now, but I agree with it.
Right this way, my dear. Do be careful. Now, you know this is a very important event, and I shouldn't be interrupting like this. Mr. Fincher, you are there, sir? Straight out of New York from Radio City Music Hall, the world-famous Rockettes.
Oh, whoa, the Rockettes. Okay, that makes more sense. Kudos to Sean for capturing these, or whoever captured this video. Gosh, this is my #1 ride, if you're ever wondering. My #1 ride at Busch Gardens. Currently, it shifts sometimes, but it's my #1. Oh, this is Roman Rapids promo. 1988.
A breathtaking ride down the white water of a runaway.
That's kind of creepy. Gonna be honest.
It's very wild. The new Roman Rapids.
I don't feel like you get as wet as you used to back in the day.
It's a whole new way of Italian art.
So I hope you enjoyed some of those creepy moments as I did. Or not enjoyed them, they're kind of weird. But nonetheless, don't forget to like and subscribe. There might be another one after this. I keep on finding more old Busch Gardens footage I want to share with you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching all the way through, and here are some other videos that you can check out while you're here. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.